Yes, I just downloaded Winamp because Winamp is probably the most iconic media player that will ever be there. And you'll see in a second why. And yes, I'm gonna do Winamp Classic. This is just one of those memory lanes that I absolutely love it. And here we're gonna just hit finish. Probably places a Winamp icon in the notification area. I can hit finish and I cannot wait for that intro. The Winamp intro. The Winamp. Yes.
Winamp. It really whips the llama's ass.
I love that. That's the reason I even installed this. Just this intro. Are you interested in participating in our next round of release candidates? Yeah, because I like it. I am not gonna add to media library at the moment. I just want to focus to what this media player actually has and does. Right here, right off the bat, you see you have all your stuff, right? NFT library, DVD, fan zone, devices, all that beautiful stuff. But look what you have. A complete, beautiful way of changing things the way you like. Very minimalistic. Here's the sides, left and right. I'm going to do middle. This is the whole equalizer, by the way. This is your volume. You can go up to 100%. I missed this one. DJ Mike Llamas whipping ass. And let's go to online services. Yes, it was a real thing. You have actual radio right here in the app itself that a lot of you probably either never heard of it or never tried it. And this is how it used to be. All the genres, for example, let's go to some metal. Click metal. We go to probably classic metal is the best metal in my opinion. And in classic metal, brain gel. Let's click play, click OK. Boom. And this, by the way, is a radio station. This is not a, what do you call brain gel is the radio station itself. It's not only one song. You might think it's only a song. No. This is a whole station that you can leave listening the whole day, or if you're a streamer or whatever. Well, I mean, streaming it online, watch out for copyrights. But in this case, I'm doing it for entertainment and educational purposes only. So hold off your horses. If you're going to issue anything that you played 5 seconds. No, I did not. I played less than 5 seconds. Just to show people what was possible and still is possible with Winamp. These are all radio stations of techno. You can just click play and let it play the whole day. And you can see how many listeners are, and some of these are 0 for some reason. I don't know why. Let me go here, hard techno. Boom! Just like that. That's actually beautiful. If you're into that. So that's up to you. You have the classical, baroque, chamber, choral, modern, opera, piano, romantic. Usually piano and opera is what I do, so yeah, that's where I get stuck. Calm radio is
Green HD audio, and of course, without the ads or commercials you're hearing.
And here we have the commercials at the moment. Of course, sometimes they have to pay their light bill, right? So you just have to cope with that, I guess. Here we go. That's beautiful. You can rip CDs, you can do a lot of stuff. You can throw music right here as your playlist and have this playlist go on forever if you wish. So you can switch all the equalizer to whatever you want. And here's your local library, as I said before. Podcasts, if you want to subscribe, you can add them here. Put the RSS subscription link here. Update every day or every hour, most recent episodes and all that to your favorite podcasters. You have the history of what we just played here. As you see, Fan Zone. Now, Fan Zone will open a new window, and you can go here and add whatever you want to add to your Fan Zone. Hot Mix Radio. You go to the browser again, so you can register for free, and you have rock, 80s, 90s, dance, hip-hop. For example, you click dance.
You can't connect to the stream due to your location.
Due to your location. Yeah, because my location is not allowed with VPN. But there's ways around it, and that's not my job right now. My job is just to show you Winamp and actually how much fun Winamp used to be, and it still is. And I'm very happy that they keep it alive. Now, there's an NFT library, and I'm not gonna get into what I think about NFTs and what you think about NFTs. That is completely up to you and your God. That's not my job to tell you what to do with NFTs. And besides that, let's go to Winamp settings really quick. And you go here, you can change the skins. You can go to modern Winamp. This is the new Winamp, whatever you want to call it. Yes, these are all detachable from each other if that's what you're looking for. So you can do that. Let me put a song of mine, for example, right here. As you see, I like that. This part here, I don't know why. It's just so cool, I guess. And I got used with it.
It's just
I kind of grew up with it. It reminds me of the car stereos, if you remember those. And here's your fiddling around. You can turn the EQ on or equalizer on, auto, options, color themes. You can change Donatello and all that. I'm not gonna switch any color theme here. Let me try to find the actual visualizations right here. Boom. Go full screen and let it go to town. Tell me this is not beautiful. Come on. And in my opinion, this is absolutely beautiful. Well, I mean, I know Microsoft Media Player had their own visualizations, but not to this scale. And yes, you can change those if you want to. You can switch the video, detach visualizer. You can have the visualizer, for example, on a separate screen while you switch music here on the main screen. And you can change it to random visualizers or visualizations, or you can hit next here and change it to the next one. Let me hit here. We switch to the next one, and it smoothly transitions to the new one. Let me get rid of this. I'm gonna leave the playlist there. I'm gonna put this here just so you guys can see a little bit better. This is the credits, the album art. I did not put any on this song yet. I just made this track probably less than 10 days ago. And I'm gonna hit next again to the next visualization thingy going on. As you see, it has a lot of them, and I mean a ton of them. And look how beautiful it switches with the music. So for the background, I don't know. Maybe I'm just too stuck on that memory lane. But look at that. Let me put the volume up a little bit so you can just listen for a second.
I'm still not ready for the truth, 'cause you left without a reason, and now there's nothing left to lose. It's just a ghost of you.
And that's how the visualizer, which was the main part I wanted to show you on Winamp. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie to you. Yeah, I wanted to show you that part because it's so beautiful. Come on, why don't Media Player be fun again? Seriously, all the Media Players are so lame. I mean, I love my classic Media Player. Yes, that's what I use. The classic Media Player. It's easy to use, know that, but why doesn't it go this way? I mean, you can shorten this to nothing and use it just Media Player, and yes, you play video and everything on it. But why not make it fun? A lot of people forget how much fun this was. And yes, it plays a lot of different media formats. It's not just one thing, it's a lot. And yeah, these are the credits of who made it. That's actually, I remember leaving this playing for a while, actually. This was such a beautiful thing in the beginning. This kind of Windows 2000s, Windows XP kind of vibey thing. I remember leaving just credits like that. It was so mesmerizing to me to actually see these credits here. That's the version history. Released April 2023. I'm really glad that they're still maintaining it. I really like that. It's thank you to whoever is on the team maintaining this software. Thank you. Personally, thank you. I just love Winamp. There's just that feel that it just makes sense. And yes, you can put it like this if you want to, if you're into that kind of look, and you can slap it to the top screen. It's almost like a magnetic stick, as you see, or on the bottom of the screen, boom, like that, and leave it there. That is up to you, but in my opinion, it is one of the most underrated and forgotten players that you should know about. Seriously, go there, get Winamp. This is the video player on it. We don't need it right now, but yes, it plays videos, and it plays anything you can think of. So, I just wanted to show this to you. I know, it might sound very weird and very just uncalled for a video of mine, but I just don't like this kind of, not really old tech, but the good tech to go to waste, especially since there's still people maintaining it. And I will leave a link on the description to where you can actually download Winamp and enjoy it. And yes, I'll leave a link to my new song too, Ghost of You. And thank you for all of you that have probably clicked on it so far. I appreciate that, and you can subscribe to that other channel where I make copyright-free music just for fun. Why not? You can use it as you wish, as long as, of course, you give credits to me, because it has to. Besides that, have fun. And with that said, we'll see you in the next video. Please like and subscribe, and thank you for being here.
I've been fighting with my demons. I'm still not ready for